15 tornadoes in one 30-day period. One of the worst, the black funnel that hit Higgins, White Deer, Glacier, Shattuck, and Whitehorse in the Texas-Oklahoma Panhandle. And at 8:43 p.m. April 9th, tore into Woodward, Oklahoma. 4 minutes later, this is what was left of Woodward. 537 casualties, 85 dead, 452 in hospitals. 430 homes completely destroyed, 650 homes badly damaged. Flying steel killed scores. Others died in their cars. 220 city blocks wiped out. Stricken Woodward was largely home-owned, and homes and the families in them are the first concerns of the American Red Cross. 1,600 families faced the job of digging out.